Brass quick couplers are typically made from high-strength brass alloys to ensure the reliability and durability of the coupler under high-pressure conditions. The brass bars are cut into sections by CNC machines, ensuring precise dimensions for each piece. The parts are then processed on lathes and milling machines to ensure that the dimensions and shapes meet the design specifications, with strict control over the internal and external threads, connection surfaces, and sealing grooves. The drilling process is carried out by an automated drilling machine, with full manual supervision to control the hole's quality strictly. The brass quick coupler moves to the assembly stage, where various components, such as the body, plugs, sockets, seals, etc., are fastened according to the design requirements.